Hello everyone, my name is Tommy and welcome to another one of our Tutorial Tuesdays. I should start calling it like that. Why didn't I think of that? It's TT, Tutorial Tuesday. This week we will be building a pit for Scorpios Rex because it is a very dangerous, highly dangerous species. Here you can see me deciding if I should do a bigger circle, and I went with yes. Because as you know me, if you don't know me, welcome and hello, welcome to my channel. If you know me, you know that I always like to do things bigger and better and weirder and different. So this enclosure will be for the Scorpios Rex because I said to myself that it was it could provide this highly fenced, like high security enclosure for this highly dangerous predator that Scorpios Rex is. Well, it's a predator. It's not. It's basically an abomination. I don't really like the hybrids, but I said that I would do a video for this one because it is kind of interesting and how hideous it is. So basically what I wanted to do, instead of doing double fencing or having like security buildings or anything, I was like, let me do a moat right by the fence. One thing with this game is that you cannot do a proper moat. I will try to recreate this enclosure in Prehistoric Kingdom if I do have patience for Prehistoric Kingdom after all. Because yeah, the game is testing my patience, but I know that I'm new at the game, so I will have to get used to it. Making these fences a little more straight. As you know, I don't like crooked fences. And I'm trying to do a perfect circle in the middle, which is not going to be perfect. This whole enclosure, like the whole circle in the middle, is going to be a little crooked. I couldn't decide on the depth of the pit, of the moat. I wanted it to look, like it's deep enough so that the dinos cannot get through it. But then again, if you make it too deep, then there's a lot of space that you cannot use. Because elevation in this game works it's a little tricky with the elevation in this game. You cannot do steep mountain bridges, which is a shame, because with expanded terrain tools, you could do that, but since I'm not using mods and I don't want to use mods before I run out of ideas or before the updates stop coming to this game, I don't want to screw the game up for myself, I guess. And so I will be not using mods before certain points, so I'm stuck with this. And this is what I was saying that I did instead of the double fencing. I did a layer of rocks just around the pit. Once I figured out how deep the pit is going to be, I did this layer of rocks, and then I was thinking maybe I should put something, down there so that it looks like serious, like this is a serious security kind of thing. So I put in these rocks because I was like, these rocks do look dangerous, and if I put them down there, it's gonna look like hyper secure. Like if the dinosaurs decides to jump through the fence, it's gonna be met with these sharp rocks and also these sticks. If you don't have any use for these sticks and you have a lot of patience, you can use the sticks as sort of a barrier, but not really a barrier. You can use it as a barrier, like if you stack them like really close together next to each other, you can use them as barriers because they are sharp and they are to be believed that they would hurt the dinosaur if it tried to escape. So this is like a security thing, nature style. Like it's supposed to be very secure, but not modern. It's supposed to feel like ancient security system. That's what we are going for here. And we call it the Scorpios Rex Pit. It's not very well rounded. I do have to admit that the whole enclosure is a little crooked, but what can I say? If I wanted to make it like a perfect circle, perfect shape, it would take me much longer. It's possible. It's possible to go back and forth and redo it and do it again and put all those rocks there again. But I said to myself, if you're gonna look at it just from one angle, it's gonna be fine, and the guests don't see it from up above, I guess. So I really do hope that you will find this enclosure appropriate, at least. I know it's not my best work. I'm well aware of that, but I thought it was a cool idea to do, like instead of double fencing or instead of other, you know, like security measures, to put in the rocks, to put in the stones and be like, have it totally secluded. This is also something that could work for you in the challenge mode when you think about it. When you put just rocks next to the fences and you get a storm, the dinosaurs won't be able to escape because you will have the rocks there. So once you make enough money to pave all the fences with rocks in your enclosures when you are working on a challenge mode, it's a nice life hack for this game actually. And it doesn't look that bad. It looks nice. They have two little legs. We're gonna have two Scorpios Rex in there. And I think this is the point where we're about to add them. I will be showing you the skins on the screen, so no worries. And here we are in real time with the Scorpios Rex. He's looking real crazy. He's an abomination. I do have to say that I'm not very, you know, like pro hybrids. I don't really like using hybrids. It's not my forte. They don't feel natural. I like to do things naturally. Is that how you do things? Naturally? I don't know. But I thought that this, you know, like high security enclosure that feels kind of ancient in its security, now that I think about it, would be a good fit for the Scorpios Rex, and we have two of them. So this is one, and there should also be another one somewhere lurking in the shadows. So this is the look at the enclosure. This is the other one, the other Scorpios Rex. So I really do hope that you like this short tutorial. It's not long, even though it took me about an hour to get these things right, to get the stones right, to get the sticks in there. It's a little bit of a tedious work, I do have to say, so be ready to be patient if you want to try something like this. But and of course you don't have to use it for Scorpios Rex, you can use it for whatever else you like. And with this and with these final looks at Scorpios Rex, I will say my goodbyes. Thank you so much for watching, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Tommy. If you liked the video, please like, comment, and share. And if you think that you will like my other content, please do consider subscribing, because I have more tutorials coming. I have speed build series, I have park tours coming. Jurassic Park San Diego will be coming these upcoming weeks. We'll have a video and then we'll have a park tour, so I'm really looking forward to that. And this really is goodbye for now. Thank you again for watching, and have a great day. Bye bye.